With the fuselage shell complete, I went ahead and started the nacelles by screwing in the two EDF units into the pylon structure. The actual nacelles took a lot of thinking to figure out, and in the end I decided to build two structures: a thrust tube behind the EDF with exhaust, and then the actual cover on top. I used 2mm Depron for this. Next, I finished building the 4 flaps and 2 ailerons, and covered the entire wing in white Ultracoat Parklite. I used 1/8" thick balsa for the wingtips, red Parklite for the covering, and epoxy to glue them on. Before the flaps went on, I added a thin balsa overhang to create a slotted flap appearance and a smooth airflow on top. Once all 4 flaps were hinged with rhubarb mini pin hinges and Gorilla Glue, I added some plastic flap gap covers on top of the hinge line. With the ailerons hinged with CA hinge material, the wing was done. Alright, here's the finish and ready to fly CRJ. Everything is hooked up. All the flight controls work. I'm going to do a final run through. I'll show you guys everything. I just need to figure out where the CG is and then be ready to go. I'll start with the back here. Got the elevators hooked up. Servos are under the horizontal stabilizer. They're attached to the vertical stabilizer. They're pretty equal. There's a rudder right here. The rudder servo is in this hatch by the nacelles. Moving on to the wings. Got the ailerons going. I got takeoff flaps right now. Here's landing flaps. Looks like that servo's about to quit. I'll fix that. And here's a landing gear coming down. There's steering in the front. And ready to go. After I got the plane in the air and didn't crash anything, I went ahead and ordered some custom vinyl graphics from calisgraphics.com. I chose Air Canada Jazz for the scheme. Here's a quick demonstration on just how easy it is to remove these Cali's graphics. It's vinyl, so you just press it on like this, take the peeling off, and you're done. After adding 2 antennas, a magnetic battery hatch, and a small fairing on the bottom of the wing for the retracts, she was finished.